Hello. In this video, we will unbox the Akko Asa Profile Wave keycaps. I think this is the new one. It came in today. Let's start. Here's the box. Just a regular box. It's a bit bigger from the normal packaging that they have because they've added a ton of other keycaps here in neon other than the standard green ones. So inside we have a few protective bubble wrapping. We have this small box right here which has the other neon sets, which is really nice. So you get a lot from this package. Yeah, very, very nice. Here's the neon alphas. So you can have two different aesthetic choices if you'd like. You can do the neon or the dark green ones. Let's open the rest of the items on there. These are really nice. Very pleasing to the eyes. This away. Sorry for the amateur video. This is the first time I'm recording this. I just really wanted to share my thoughts on this very, very nice cheap keycaps. Not cheap, but budget friendly. You say it's cheap, it kind of gives a wrong connotation that it's not quality, but it's not the case here. It's really bang for the buck. Here's the case. Has a bit of a scratch on there, but it's not very important. Doesn't worry me. Really good packaging from Akko. I know the neon version only has this box, not the other colors, which makes sense. This is a lot more, a bit more expensive than those versions. So we opened it up, and there you see the very nice keycaps. I like this color so much. Again, I apologize for the very ghetto amateur video. It's the first time doing this. I hope you can at least have a glance of the keycaps on there. Very nice. I think this would fit any keyboard layout except for the Ages one, which has very wide arrow keys. There you go. That's the contents of this big box. Lots of keycaps out there, so you can mix and match if you'd like. You can go with the neon one, replace the outfit with this, or use the standard one. And I can't remember if these are all these neon letters glow in the dark. I'm not too sure, but maybe we'll see later. It's real good. So I bought this in the Philippines for like $50 without shipping. So it's really, really good for its price. If you're on a budget and you'd like quality keycaps, I would go for Akko. Any one of their products, their keycaps line is good. I can't fault this for its price. I know some others would say that you'd rather get the GMK one. This is a clone, but as you can see, it's a lot more different from GMK in a few ways. Well, of course, the pricing, it's way cheaper. The availability, this one is in stock. You won't have to wait for that group buys. That would take maybe a few months or even more than 6 months to get. I think that's artificially made. And you can compare the profile here with an OEM. I think they're slightly the same, but of course I got the end key here, not a good comparison. So let's get the arrow keys, which might make more sense. So focus. Yeah, it's a bit taller, which is very nice. So you wouldn't get, wouldn't need too much of acclimation to this new style of keycap, this new height, I mean, profile. That's really good. And the double shot PBT is really nice as well. So that's one of the difference between the JMK. Theirs, I think, is how do you call that? So there's PBT and theirs is the other one that shines. So I would really prefer this, and I doubt this would fade because look at how thick that is. Really nice. So I can't wait to put this on my keyboard, which I will do later and probably make another video for that and how it sounds. So yeah, I think I would end the video on there. Just stay tuned for another one with me replacing the keycaps here with this. Again, to end this video, I would say this is good for the price. Anyone who's getting into the hobby and will like very attractive keycaps, which are not very expensive and readily available, then snatch this one now. It's really good. I'll try to link the seller information below for anyone in the Philippines if you're interested to buy that. I'll put the details on the description so you would be able to take a look. I think they just released this a week ago and now it's here, so I'm very excited. So thank you for staying and listening to my rant and unboxing and a review of these keycaps. All of you have a great day. Bye.